Did you know some HVAC dispatchers are seeing something they've never seen before? Sarah just told me the craziest thing about their call patterns lately. She said instead of getting calls about broken air conditioners, people are specifically asking for that ACF flush thing their neighbor told them about, like entire streets are calling within days of each other. Yesterday alone, 3 houses on Maple Street called asking for the same service. The wild part is customers are mentioning their neighbors by name. Mrs. Johnson told her friend across the street, who told the family next door, and now half the block wants their system efficiency restored too. Sarah said people are calling back just to share how excited they are about their results. One guy called to say, his house has never felt this cold, and he's telling everyone about it. These customers are basically becoming salespeople for the service. She's having trouble keeping up with scheduling because word of mouth is spreading faster than any advertising they've ever done. The referral customers are so much better than regular leads too. Ask your HVAC technician about ACF Flush.